to my channel, Janet's Lifestyle. Welcome back po once again, and hope everybody is doing well. Um, Today I wanted to share with you the menu, which is I'm going to prepare, which is the we call it sinigang. You can make it either pork or seafood, and the one that I use this time is the giant prawns sinigang. Yeah, this sinigang soup is very simple, of course, easy and healthy soup, which is a Filipino cuisine. Yeah, so I am doing this especially if it's cold or winter, because it really nice, and the soup is very tasty. Yeah, so hope you will enjoy watching, and if you are ready, sabayan niyo po ako kung paano ko po ito ginagawa. So, let's go! Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Anyway guys, here are the ingredients needed for my today's menu, which is called the giant prawns sinigang. Yeah, so of course we have here the main ingredients, which is the giant prawns. Yeah, this is like 250 grams, 6 pieces. Yeah, I bought it in Asian shop. Yes, so they are really big enough, so that's why we call it giant prawns. And of course the tomato, and this time I used the lettuce. Actually I am using always the spinach, but because I don't have, so I prefer lettuce for now. And then of course the eggplant, yeah, sliced eggplant. And then I'm putting it as well with sliced celery, which is very healthy. And then the onions, of course, sliced one. And for the seasons, I used to have salt, and then the black pepper. And of course, finally I am putting as well a ginger, which is very healthy as well. I used to put it because to have the good smell, let's say para hindi po malansa. Yeah, so guys, please stay tuned and enjoyed watching my giant prawns sinigang on how I cook it. Okay, so see you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back again. First thing I am doing is that this giant prawns, I am now trying to clean it. And of course I used to clean the head portion, yeah, or cut it, and the pads, call it pads, this one. Yeah, and just like that. Okay, yes. So again, just that. Yeah, and portion in the pods. There you go. And with the antenna, I used to cut it so that it looks clean and nice, yeah. Ayan po. Because if not, because guys, it has a portion that it's, you see, pointed, and it's not nice, yeah, if you are trying to eat it. I mean, this area, yeah. So this is the last one. There you go. Oh, diba? So let's start cooking. So guys, after I clean the prawns, I make use the pan to prepare a water for boiling, and now the water already boils. And first thing I am doing is that I am putting the tomato first, yeah, slice of tomato, and after that this one po, which is the onion, yeah, let them boil, and the ginger, of course. And then actually I'm already coating it with salt, yeah, to taste, and the black pepper, yeah. Just boil them until it's done, and then let it simmer, and after simmering, it's time for us to add the prawns. Okay, so we'll check. Yeah, it's boiling already. Ayan po. Now it's time for me to add the tiger prawns, yes. Yan. This is very simple to prepare. This is a Filipino soup. We call it Sinigang. And then after putting my prawns, because it's just quick to cook, I am already adding the an eggplant, yeah, the vegetables, yeah, because it takes also time, and as well the celery, yeah. Half cooked vegetables are nice po, so we'll just cook it half cook, or let's say not half done because it's not good also the vegetables to overcook. Yeah, and actually I forgot to tell you that we are adding the lemon, or others in Philippines we are making the or using the tamarind to make it the soup a bit sour. Because I don't have that, I am just using here in Europe lemon or lime. Yeah, so just like this, like a tablespoon. Yeah, the juice of it. I am just putting a bit because my kids don't like too much sour. Yeah, so season it again. Yeah, and cover and let it cook the vegetables. And later to add the lettuce. Okay, so please stay tuned. So it's like 2 or 3 minutes. Let's check. Ayan. Okay na po yung veggies natin. Ayan po. Pangit din po kasing na-overcook siya. So, ayan, let's check. Check ko lang po yung lasa niya. Okay, just add this. And then it's time for me to add the lettuce po. Yeah, this one. Yes. So I'm just adding it here like that because it will also easy to cook, just simmer. Because actually we are eating lettuce fresh, but if it's you are putting it in the adding it in the cuisine, make it such a vegetable, so we're just cooking it only not overcooked. Yeah, so let's just simmer it once again like 2 minutes and then it's done. Just simple and easy to prepare. Yeah, actually this sinigang, you can make it either seafoods or this one, the prawns, or pork. That's why it's either pork sinigang or prawns or shrimp sinigang, something like that. So please stay tuned po, and we'll see the finished product soon. See you in a bit. So guys, here is already the finished menu for today, which is the giant prawns sinigang. It is a kind of soup, yeah, in Filipino cuisine. Yeah, okay. This is really, let's say, simple, because you just simmer or boil everything. Yeah, when it comes to vegetables, you don't need to overcook it so that the nutrients and vitamins are still there, and of course very simple, and of course healthy. Yeah, so there you go, guys. I am actually preparing this especially if it's cold or winter, because the soup is really, really nice and my kids love it. But as what I have said, I am not putting it more with the lemon or lime to make it more sour, because other others like sour soup, but uh, my kids don't like it, so I'm just putting a little bit just to taste, have a taste of it. Yeah, because the real sinigang is sour soup. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so as what I've said, you can make it either pork or seafoods. Yeah, this one, the prawns. So hope you enjoyed watching my sinigang prawns on how I prepared it. So thank you so much, guys. And if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment as well. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and God bless everyone. See you for my next video, and please don't forget to click the bell button for you to be more updated for my more videos to come. Okay, so bye for now.